Avalon B8BLK. Avalon B8BLK Review. Best Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler. The Avalon is an attractive, matte black countertop bottleless water dispenser and will match any decor. Detailed instructions with illustrations offer quick installation. Avalon B8BLK uses a dual filtration process, multi-layer sediment to remove dirt, silt, and carbon block to remove lead, rust, bacteria, pesticides, and harmful VOCs. Avalon B8BLK offers your home or office fresh, healthy, filtered, toasty hot, and refreshing cold water on demand. You will significantly reduce, if not eliminate, your bottled water expense. A built-in LED nightlight frames the water spouts for accessible water dispensing at night. A replacement light lets you know when the filters need to be replaced. UL Energy Star approved, the Avalon is intelligently designed to use less power. The unique child safety hot water spout lock and a generous 7.5 inches serving space below the water spouts round out the impressive features. 14 by 12 by 19 inches and weighs 30 pounds. All these features and technology make the Avalon B8BLK the best countertop bottleless water cooler. Warranty. 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty within 30 days of purchase and registration. Pros. 6-month, 1,500-gallon filter life. Reversible door hinges. Min max temperature 47 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons. Constantly replacement filters. Challenging fit under some cabinetry. Increased energy costs.